This is a 2017 Ford Fiesta SE. Paint is in great condition. There's some blemish to it, which like right here and on the other side. But beside that, it's in good condition. The engine is in great condition as well. And not much thing to it. Now, gonna get to this, take this off. But beside that, it's a nice car. And then right here, there's a ding right here. And there. But beside that, it's a good car. This car, I paid the guy was actually asking $4,200 for it, and I got it for $3,000. Now there's some issues. Well, I wouldn't call it issues. It just needs to be taken care of. It's adding a little bit rough, so just need to do some servicing on it. Everything is good. It's just a rough idling. Using one on here. Anyway, so what I'm planning on doing today, I got some new fuel injectors. I'm gonna take those out. I'm gonna change those. Also, some new spark plugs. Gonna change those spark plugs. Do an oil change. And I was planning on taking off the intake and cleaning the intake, the valves. But that's for some other day. Now I just want to do regular maintenance on it and see what that changed. But like I said, it's not driving bad. Just could use some tune-up. Also, as you see right here, he installed the fog lights. But with the fog lights, this is his installation. All those wires, plus biggest eyesore or worst thing about it is the fact that this is the button for the install for the fog lights. Now you have to turn it on, turn it off, and if you forget to turn it off, it will kill your battery. So I need to try to figure out to reroute these so it can be attached to the headlight switch. So whenever the lights turn on, it'll turn off, and so forth. Beside that, the interior is very clean, nice. Not a big deal. Seats are well taken care of as well. So I think it's a good buy for 2017 with 154,000 miles. Clean title at that too. Clean title. So let's just get with it. We're gonna start by first. I'm gonna just do the spark plugs and then the fuel injector, and after that I'm gonna do the oil change, and that's it for today. Then we're gonna take it for a bath. Gonna get it clean. So I know I said the first thing I'm gonna do is the spark plugs, but I want to take care of this first. And we have some blade right here. Just basically go ahead, because it's a windshield, it's outside, it's not gonna damage anything. Just take it off. And there it is. Oh, clean. Much better. For me, the easiest way to remember them, when you do take out these coil packs or coil, is just doing one at a time. Even though it goes based on the length, you can see it. One is longer than the other. This is the longest. It will come right here, so you don't need to change it. All right, but it's easier if you have a problem and you feel like you're gonna forget. Just do them one at a time, and you'll be fine. So we have the tool right here is a 5/8, and I'm a space between here, so we're just gonna take off the extension first and just put it down in there. That's good. And I'm gonna do just take it out. It is tight. So I put some anti-seize on this, so it doesn't not hard to take out. I'm gonna look at these to see how old they are. Probably they got changed because the engine was rebuilt. That's another thing too. Said it was rebuilt at 107,000 miles. So yeah, but as you see, these are some old spark plugs. It's not burning bad, but the so getting changing them. Yeah, original Ford. These are the OEM spark plugs. So good thing changing them and should help the car a little bit. And okay, so before we install the new one, right here, we're gonna get some anti-seize and just put some on the thread. You don't want to get any up here, just some on the thread, and that will help with any future bind. If you need to remove it for the future person, that's, you know, prevent it from seizing, having that hard, the ability to come out. And I normally, this tool is magnetized, so I normally use a tool to get it in. You don't want to put anything on the thread, so I normally use a tool to get it in because you don't want to drop it inside and it will break it off. That's another problem for itself, by itself. So take your time, just put it in, and tight, always, and tight. No need to rush. So the torque spec on this says between 11 to 14. I'm gonna start at 12, and with my handy dandy, have a free torque tool. If 12 feel right now not that bad, so I'm gonna bring it up to say 13. Needs a tool right here to remove this fuel rail, but I think if, let me show you. There's a possibility we can just take it out, remove this, and take this off, take out the fuel rail, and just get to the fuel injector. We don't have to do all of that and just disconnect, get to the fuel injector. So we don't, I think we'll have enough flex right here. If we take it out this clip right here, if we take it out this, I think we'll have enough flex in it to lift it up without removing that. So let's get to it. Hopefully we don't break anything today. So squeeze this together, and there it goes, it pops out. And now what we're gonna do is try to remove the wiring to get some more room. So you just squeeze this in and pull, and it will come out. And for this, let's just squeeze this, get this pliers. And squeeze this clip right here. Pull it back a little bit. And if it does take a minute to get off, get a little pick and just put it behind the rubber. Just try to loosen it up a little bit. Go around. And it will help to free it up so you can take it off. And then you just pull this back. The stays right here. And now what we're gonna do, you can use the pick as well. Just squeeze this in and pull it up. And this strap, it straps onto the plugs. Pull this off. So I'm gonna use this pick. Just slightly pull this up a little bit off these bolts. Yeah, so we can move this first. This other one is 4 of them. There you go. Sorry, 3, not 4. And let's remove these wires so we don't want to damage them. Just press and pull. Same thing for this one. Press and pull. And this one as well. Press and pull. So now we have all 4 disconnected. There's a strap right here. Just put the pick beneath it and pull up. There you go. And then this last one right here, same thing. Pull the pick and pull up. So there's 3. And try to disconnect this as well, so we can get some space to work with. So with this one, the squeeze in the top right there, and there you go. It's all disconnected. So you have 2 bolts right here, one right here, and one on this side to remove it. Those are both 10mm. So our extension in our 10. Place it on. Just be careful, don't let this bolt fall. Hold on to it. Put it right here. Then the next one is over on this side. Just 2 of them. They're not complete. They're not all tight, torqued down. So be careful when you're putting it back on. Put your finger, hold it, take it out. There you are. So you want to take your time and just rock till it slowly pops out. Now, some will come out easily with the tool, and then the one was left in there. So we'll get to that one. But just cover this up so you don't get anything down in the engine. And if you look, there's a clip right here. Just pull it apart and it should come off. Now, I would suggest do this first and then you pull it out. As you see, some fluid is coming out of the rail. Let's put this back in so to hold it for now. Let me get something to catch this fuel. So we have a container here, so let's pull it out. That's just the residue, the fuel that was left in the reel. So I'm gonna do, make sure I get everything out. I'm gonna take off these as well. Do the same. Oh shoot. I think we got everything out, so it's down here. And then this one. So here it is. This is the rail. Just put the rail to the side. This little side right here, just push it inwards slowly. You see? And then you get the clip. It's supposed to be upside down like this. Over, and then you see some groove right there in the fuel injector. Just slide it in. And that's it. And it will hold it there. So like I said, don't worry about the orientation. Once you slide it in, it's perfect. And continue and do it others. Okay? Next one. So the blue, easy to remember, the blue goes to the fuel rail and the green goes to the tank itself. And always check to make sure that the old ones that you take out, they all come out with the O-rings on it. Okay? Always check. And I'm not gonna throw away the old one immediately, just in case these act up. I can always switch back because, like I said, they do work. I just like changing them. If I can change them, I'll change them. And this one is easy, so just change them. But I'm gonna keep on. I'm gonna hold on to the old ones until so even means if I just need to clean them up, I can clean the old ones. If I need to clean them, change the O-rings, and they're good if this doesn't work. So I'm gonna hold on to them. All right. I've learned. So just open the pouch. Top one is a blue one. Top one off first. And just some or silicone. Get it in there easier without ripping the O-ring. And just take your time, side to side. That's it. Afterwards, the clip. That's it. Now, that's clean. I don't want to put too much things in there. And as from I see it, from looking at it, I was planning on doing the, like I said, the intake valve, cleaning them. And after looking at this, let's take this out. What I'm trying to do is clean up inside of here and try not to get any trunk falling inside. So just clean it up a little bit. So it can sit properly. I did have a Ford Focus ST before, which I did the I did clean the ports and it worked phenomenal. So let's take these off, get them some O-rings, and get them some lubricated, the O-rings lubricated, and just put them on. Put that there. Like I said, just around the O-rings. You don't need to go crazy. Little goes a far way. All right, so here we are, all lubricated. So we're gonna take our time, just set it in, make sure everything is lined up. Just take your time and just clip it in. So if it feels a little bit slack, don't worry about it. It's gonna get the nut inside. So put it on, and this is, and hold it while I put it in there. And always on these things that you know can't see the holes properly, finger tight. Finger tight. He ain't gonna kill you. No need to rush. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side right now. Best case scenario, car runs magnificent. Worst case scenario, just change them back. Just snug. That's it. You need to go crazy. Check if there's any leak. No leak. Running great. So, good job.